In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prefill a form and fill out for advanced Airtable forms. Before we set up the prefill and fill out, we need to grab the correct Airtable form link and make sure its access settings match how you want people to use it. That way, when Fillout passes prefilled values into your form, everyone who should be able to open the link can do so without running into permission issues. Start by opening Airtable and heading to the base where your form lives. Navigate to the Forms section so you can see all the forms tied to your table. Choose the specific form you plan to use with Fillout. If you have multiple forms on the same table, pick the one whose fields and layout match your intended workflow, since the share link and access apply to that exact form. Open the Share Form panel. This is where you'll control who can open the form and where you'll copy the shareable link that Fillout will reference. Look for the section that asks who can access this form. These settings are important because prefill only helps if your audience can actually load the form. If you select anyone on the web, your form becomes publicly accessible to anyone with the link. This is ideal for public intake or marketing use cases. Keep in mind that only the fields you include in the form are visible, but you should still avoid collecting sensitive information unless you trust your distribution channel. Choosing anyone on an admin-approved domain limits access to users signed in with domains your admin has approved in Airtable. This is great for controlled access across a known set of company domains without inviting every user to the base. Anyone at a domain lets you specify a domain you control and restrict access to people authenticated with email addresses from that domain. It's useful when you want to open the form to your organization but keep it closed to the public. Only users with base access is the strictest setting. It requires people to be collaborators on the base. Use this for internal workflows where responses should only come from your team. If you test your prefill later, make sure you're logged in with an account that has access. Once you've chosen the right access level, click Copy Link. That puts the live form URL on your clipboard. Test it in a private or incognito window to confirm the access rule behaves as expected. Keep this link handy. You'll paste it into Fillout next to configure your prefill parameters and streamline your user's experience.